Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Xiaomi is a leader on budget market. It releases smartphones with very good specifications at a affordable price. Huawei is a popular manufacturer of flagship devices, but recently it produces interesting mid-range and even budget phones. Today we want to compare mobile devices with big displays Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and Honor 8X Max. Both of them have 7-inch diagonal, good hardware and cameras. Moreover, Honor 8X Max is a little cheaper than Mi Max 3. So which one you should buy? Let's find out. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and Honor 8X Max have different design. Xiaomi phone has metal body, dual vertical camera and fingerprint reader on the back. On the front, there is 6.9-inch display without notch. In general, it looks similar to other Xiaomi phones in 2018, especially Mi 8 II. We already compared Mi Max 3 and Mi 8 II, and they are almost the twins, except the size. If we talk about Honor 8X Max, it received glass back panel and metal frame. Yes, the glass is more fragile than metal, but it looks amazing. There is also dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint scanner on the back. Unlike Mi Max 3, Honor 8X Max has notch above the display. However, it is much smaller than iPhone X, Xiaomi Mi 8, Pocophone F1 and others. It looks similar to Vivo V11 or Oppo F9. It is very small notch with only front camera. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and Honor 8X Max have 3.5mm audio jacks, but Xiaomi device comes with USB Type-C, while Honor 8X Max has micro USB port. Both of them don't have NFC. So I will choose Honor 8X Max because it has premium glass design. Also, it provides higher screen-to-body ratio thanks to the notch. In 2018, the smartphones may have 7-inch displays, but they don't look so big as last year's. It is because of thin bezels around the screen. Honor 8X Max has 7.12-inch display and it sounds very impressive. But in practice the phone is very comfortable to use. Of course, it is quite difficult to use with one hand, but I cannot say it is huge. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has a little smaller display, 6.9 inches. However, the dimensions of these phones are almost the same. It means that Honor 8X Max has higher screen-to-body ratio, about 83%, while Mi Max 3 has almost 80%. Both devices have IPS panels with Full HD Plus resolution. So the image quality, contrast, viewing angles are the same, but Honor 8X Max has bigger display and higher screen-to-body ratio. So I will choose this phone. The smartphones are powered by the same chipset, Snapdragon 636. It is very good mid-range processor, which provides high performance. You can watch our performance test of Mi Max 3 to see how it runs latest Android games. Honor 8X Max will have another version with Snapdragon 660 chipset. It will be even more powerful, but we don't know details about it. This version will go on sale in October 2018. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and Honor 8X Max have 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage with microSD support. They run on Android 8.1 Oreo, but Mi Max 3 has MIUI 9.5 user interface, while Honor 8X Max has EMUI 8.2. So the performance will depend on software optimization, but we think that it will be similar on these phones because they have the same hardware. No winner in this category, the smartphones receive by 1 point from me. You know, it is difficult to compare cameras of mid-range phones, because all of them make really good photos. The same problem is here, how to choose better if they have similar sensors and image quality is almost the same. Honor 8X Max is equipped with a dual rear camera of 16 and 2 megapixel sensors. On the front, it has 8 megapixel camera. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 also has dual rear camera, but there is 12 and 5 megapixel sensors. The front camera has 8 megapixel sensor. Here you can see some images from both phones. I cannot choose which one is better, so they receive by 1 point. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 should have longer battery life, because it is equipped with bigger 5500 mAh battery, while the display is smaller than Honor 8X Max. In addition, Mi Max 3 has USB Type-C port with fast battery charging. The full battery charge takes 2 hours and 15 minutes. so I will choose Xiaomi Mi Max 3 in this category. Honor 8X Max doesn't go on sale yet, so you cannot buy it outside the China. So we will talk about official prices. The basic model with 64 GB of memory will be available for only $190, while 128 GB version will cost $227. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is already available on sale, and you can buy it from $250. On start of sales, Honor 8X Max will cost a little more than official prices, but in coming weeks it will be cheaper than Mi Max 3. It receives the last point in this comparison. Our comparison shows that Honor 8X Max is better. Yes, it has many advantages over Mi Max 3, such as premium glass design, bigger display and higher screen-to-body ratio, Snapdragon 660 version and very attractive price. From other side, Xiaomi Mi Max 3 has great cameras and bigger battery with USB Type-C port. What do you think? Which one is better? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.